Wow, it actually works! In a recent video I reviewed the newest soundcore Liberty 4 and C, which are super affordable earbuds with next level noise cancelling abilities. You can check it out right here. Revolutionary and noise cancelling. Yeah, now they're bringing their new tech to headphones as well. Colors are matching, how perfect is that? And aside from that, this is also their first super budget friendly model that also offers a wearing detection. Sensor is right here. And for now, a feature like this was reserved for the high-end flagship models only. So yeah, pretty cool. And of course, we also get high-res audio, great adaptive noise cancelling, and super high comfortability thanks to the floating axis design. So tons of great specs and features, and all of that for under 100 bucks. So let's check it out in detail and let's find out if it's actually good. I got the new drip from Soundcore. These are the Space One headphones. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box, this side right here, small print on the bottom, top is mainly blank, and here on the back we have all the specs and all the features. And also we have two tabs, so let's pull them off carefully, and that's one. There we go. Right here, the second one. Okay, easy as that. So let's open it up and here we have it. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. So we have the headphones and right here a box with all the accessories. And in here, well, actually, let's get right to it. So first of all, we will get a nice fabric pouch. Check it out. You can close it just like that. Brand right here. So a nice pouch for carrying it. Stress-free. Then we will get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable in black, and also a really nice looking blue aux cable for any aux jack. And then of course also the paperwork. So we have this for all the safety precautions, multi-language of course, and then we also have the guide, which will unfold like this. So we have 15 points all in all, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, 14, 15, and there we go. QR code for the app of course. So to recap, the paperwork, the aux cable, the charging cable, and the nice pouch. Done with the unboxing, and let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So here we have it, looking good. A very soft wrap all the way around, sky blue, pastel blue color, looking very pleasing. The cups are also super soft, can't wait to actually try them on. Oh, right here. Right here, this is the wearing detection sensor, and you can see it right here, left and right speaker. Nice. So yeah, let's take a close look. Let's start with the right side. Right here we have the volume rocker, plus minus, and also the play pause button. Also this mic right here, that's inside of the cups. When it gets to the left one, as we saw, we have the sensor in here, so right there. Dual mic on this one, the USB-C port, the aux port. Also right here, the status LED, on-off button, and the noise cancelling button. When we turn it on by pressing and holding it, then as you can see, this LED will of course flash. Alright, here we have the cups from the side, and they can articulate like that, then also from here to here, again from here to here, as well as the other one, so like that. This is a nice detail right here. We have a flat surface right here, and then right here it's like corrugated with a nice grip to it. This is actually amazing for grabbing it. Then you can also fold the cups in like that, from here to here. Same for the other one. And you can also adjust the length from 0 to the max. And again, the headrest is nice and soft. Check this out. Yeah, and all in all, it's looking neat and refined. I like it. Not bad, right? So let's check out the app and then of course test it. So let's turn them on. There we go. And let's add a device. Give all the permissions, of course, and there it is. Simple as that. Pair, of course. So we have the guide. Okay, and here we go. So up here you can contact the support. It's not needed in my case. So first of all, as always, let's update the firmware version. And let's do it. 10 minutes, all right. Let's see. And there we go. 3 minutes, no problem. Let's check that again. Firmware. and we are up to date very well. So here we also have the sound mode. Always better to use the LDAC, and for that we also need to do another firmware update. And then here we also have the wearing detection, which is a new feature. Usually only flagship headphones have a feature like this, a sensor like this, but now they also implemented it for the Space One, which is amazing. So let's of course turn it on. Calibration is required. Okay, so like that. Okay. All right, and let's see. All right. Very well. We also have the auto power off right here and also the voice prompts. Good stuff. So next we of course have the noise cancelling options. We can also switch through them with the dedicated button. Instant transmission right there. So we have the normal mode. No noise cancelling whatsoever. We have the transparency mode with the customizability right there, and we can also set up a wind noise reduction, and we have full-on noise cancellation of course, and we can also choose between adaptive noise cancelling and also custom noise cancelling. Adaptive is always nice because you don't need the full noise cancelling pressure when there is no noise basically. Very nice to have. We also have the wind noise reduction option right there. Then we also have the Easy Chat, which is an amazing feature. It will basically recognize when someone is speaking and it will lower down the volume. That's also the first time that I have a device that can do this. Amazing. Then we of course have the sound effects, all the equalizers, really versatile 8-band EQ. Then we have the presets with a default signature sound, acoustic, and we can see the curves right here. Soundcore signature is of course sounding really nice, but you can also play around with the presets right here. And we can also make a hearing test. You need to press the button when you can hear the sound, and when you press cannot hear, then this will create the filter curve for you. Very neat feature right there to get a result. So this was my generated curve. And then we also have the A/B, and this will create your personalized EQ curve. Original, of course, nothing, and this right here. And then you can save it. Absolutely amazing. Then we can also set up the controls. We have press once, and let's also pick the normal mode because that's always handy to have for power saving, and press twice, bass up, why not? That's awesome. And we can also set up the safe volume. Let's limit it to 90 dB. Perfect. So yeah, they keep on adding awesome features. Nice intuitive app with all the features that you need. Big thumbs up from my side. And now let's get to a test. Yeah, now let's get to a sound test. I will use one phone for playing a song, and I will use another phone to create a bit of noise. So let's see how the sound, and let's see how the noise cancelling performs. And for this I will of course use my signature binaural recording technique so that you will be able to hear what I hear as well. You will need headphones for this. So put on your headphones and listen. Now you should hear it on your right side. And now on your left side, once again. Pretty dope, right? And for the best noise cancelling results, we of course need to take off everything. Well, these cables are not ideal because the better the seal, the better the noise cancelling will work, of course. But yeah, let's get started. Let's turn them on.
Battery high.
So let's get to my favorite song and let's just listen.
Normal.
Normal mode.
We are nothing more than dust. Maybe you should take it slow.
Wow, it actually works. It works perfectly. The detection feature is amazing. Wow. The voice is sounding super clear and crisp. Nice bass, nice highs. The sound is definitely mwah. But what about the noise cancelling? Let's find out. So let's go.
Noise cancelling.
Wow, nice.
Transparency.
All right, all right.
Normal.
And back to normal mode for reference. Alright, once again.
Noise cancelling. Transparency. Normal.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Wow. First this and now this. Honestly, surprising results for headphones. Usually these work way worse than earbuds, but these are actually not too bad, as you heard. So as you saw, they look great, they feel great, and they sound great. These headphones are super conforming to to my head. The cups are super soft, and thanks to that they offer a great seal against the environment. Nice build quality as well, just amazing. They sound super clear and crisp, and the noise cancelling is also really good, especially for the price point. With the companion app, the Space One will get even better, of course, with so many customizable filter curves, equalizer curves. You can set up the noise cancelling to a T, amazing customizability. And all the new features like the new wearing detection is also pretty dope, handy to have. So yeah, they're definitely great for drowning out all the surroundings and for just focusing on the music or your task at hand. And all in all, these are definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you, but before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing Tech Magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.